Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to deactivate two-step authentication in Shopify. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So if you want to disable two-step authentication here, well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to access your Shopify account. So go to shopify.com, log in into your account, and you want to go ahead over to the top right of your screen. Now, this would actually show your current shop page. You want to go and click on it, and you want to go and click on the current admin. So we have this account here, our admin. Let's go and just choose that one so that we can start managing that account. Now, in here, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and go to the security tab here. So go ahead and click on security. And once you are in the security page here, you should see two-step authentication if you scroll down a bit. Now, in here, you should see the primary methods here. So if you want to disable two-factor authentication, you can go and just click on the remove button. And from here, it's going to verify your account. So you may need to verify your account by using the whatever two-factor authentication you use here. So go ahead and enter the code that you are going to receive. Now, once you've done that, it's now going to reconfirm if you want to remove two-factor authentication. Let's go ahead and click on remove. And that should remove two-factor authentication from your account. As you can see, it's now turned off. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.